The Ventrac mount system on the Ventrac 3400 model tractor is the key element in the Ventrac's versatility.
The Ventrac mount system allows a person to quickly and easily switch attachments. Several attachments require special instructions to facilitate easier attaching and detaching. Refer to that attachment's operator's manual for information to instruct you in performing this procedure. For all attachments, it is recommended to have the parking brake placed in the middle or auto position while attaching and detaching. It is beneficial to remember that how and where an attachment is removed is important to a quick and easy reattachment. An uneven surface where the attachment leans one way and the tractor another will make it more difficult for the arms to align. Also, many Ventrac attachments have wheels on the front which allows the attachment to roll forward as shown here. When attempting to engage the hitch, it is best to block the wheels to keep the attachment from rolling forward. It may also be helpful to observe an experienced operator attach the attachment to see the proper sequence taking place. We will demonstrate attaching a 3400 tractor to an LM600 mower deck and a KV552 V-blade. Attaching an LM600 mower deck. For attaching to the mower, make sure the tractor and attachment are on a level surface. Set the height selector lever to the highest position. Ensure that the attachment locking lever is in the unlocked position. Start the tractor and lower the front hitch arms to the lowest position. Drive forward to engage the tractor front hitch into the mower arms. Once the tractor hitch has moved past the lifting tabs on the mower hitch arm, as shown here, raise the front lift until the tractor hitch and mower arms are parallel with each other. Continue forward movement while at the same time ensuring that the attachment arms enter into the space between the hitch arm and the locking hook as shown here. A small side-to-side rotation of the steering wheel will assist in aligning the arms to engage into the final location so the locking hooks can be rotated down over the attachment hitch pins, locking the attachment to the tractor. After the locking hooks have been engaged, engage the park brake and turn off the engine. Dismount and move to the front of the tractor. Set the height selector lever on the mower deck to the lowest position and disengage the belt tensioner. Failure to set the height to the lowest position will prevent the belt tensioner lever from being re-engaged after the belt is placed on the PTO drive pulley. Place the attachment belt onto the PTO drive pulley on the power unit. Ensure the deck belt is properly routed and engaged in each pulley. Engage the main belt tensioner. Always check to ensure the deck belt is properly located in each pulley groove before attempting to operate. Set the mower height selector lever into the desired position. Move to the seat, engage seat belt, and start the tractor. With the park brake in the parked position, set the weight transfer system if equipped. To set the amount of weight transfer, fully raise the front hitch to release any tension on the weight transfer spring. Lift weight transfer lever and place in the desired location. Now you are ready to start mowing operations. To remove the mower, park the tractor and mower on a level surface. Releasing the weight transfer will improve the ease of attachment separation. To set weight transfer to 0, fully raise the front hitch to release any tension on the weight transfer spring. Lift the weight transfer lever and place in the 0 position. Lower the attachment to the ground and place the taller SDLA lever in the float position. Engage the park brake and turn off the engine. Dismount the tractor. Set the height selector lever on the mower deck to the lowest position to disengage the belt tensioner. Remove the drive belt from the PTO drive pulley. Belt and pulley may be hot. Use caution when removing. Engage the belt tensioner and raise the mower cutting height to its highest setting. Move to the seat and engage the seat belt. Release the attachment locking lever. Restart the tractor and slowly back away from the attachment. Using a slight side-to-side movement of the steering wheel will improve the ease of attachment separation. The procedures for attaching the V-blade to the tractor are similar to the mower and many other attachments. For proper attaching to the V-blade, it should be setting on a level surface. Ensure that the attachment locking lever is in the unlocked position. Lower the front hitch and drive the tractor forward. Engage the front hitch into the blade's hitch arms. Engage the attachment locking lever over the attachment hitch pins, locking the attachment to the tractor. Engage the parking brake. Dismount and walk around the blade. Route the attachment hoses and 12-volt plug through the hose retainer of the tractor as shown. Always wipe the hose ends to remove dirt before coupling to the tractor. Attach them to the quick couplers by pulling back the ring on the tractor coupler and inserting the hose end into the coupler and pushing the ring forward to its original position. Connect the hoses and quick couplers so the red indicators are paired together and the yellow indicators are paired together. Reversing the hoses at the coupler will change the direction the lever needs to be moved to activate the blade. Pressure buildup in the attachment hose and the power unit couplers may occur, causing difficult installation of hoses. If hoses do not easily connect, try one of the following steps. While the engine is still turned off, move the secondary lever of the SDLA right and left to release pressure in the power unit's hydraulic circuit. To release pressure in the attachment hose, loosen one of the hose ends and retighten when pressure is released. Use caution when releasing pressure in the attachment hose line. Connect the 12-volt plug to the 12-volt front outlet on the tractor. After ensuring proper hose and electrical connection, move to the seat, engage the seat belt, and start the tractor. Verify that the V-blade is functioning properly by moving the secondary lever of the SDLA right and left. Activate the 12-volt switch on the taller SDLA lever by moving the secondary lever of the SDLA right and left. You will ensure proper operation of your V-blade. Once proper operation is confirmed, you are ready to start your next job. For removing the KV552 V-blade. To remove the V-blade, park the tractor and attachment on a level surface. Lower the attachment to the ground. Turn the engine off. Put the primary SDLA lever in the float position. Move the auxiliary lever back and forth several times to remove oil pressure to the attachment hoses. Dismount and walk around the V-blade. Disconnect the electric plug and hoses. Wipe them clean of oil and dirt and place them in a storage position. Keep them out of the dirt. Replace the dirt protective plugs on the tractor couplers, wiping away any oil and dirt. Start tractor. Release the attachment locking lever and back away from the attachment. Using a slight side-to-side movement of the steering wheel will improve the ease of attachment separation. This concludes the attaching section of this program. It is recommended that after reading and understanding the operator's manual, practice by driving the tractor with an attachment on a level surface to become familiar with the controls, their operation, and the response of the articulating frame and steering. Give yourself ample time to know the tractor before you begin performing your tasks. For additional information, technical specifications, or training resource information for all Ventrac equipment, see ventrac.com/support.
Ventrac, your one-tractor solution. Watch more of Ventrac in action by clicking on a link below, or subscribe to our channel and get the newest video releases.